Alright, here's our next one. Pretty cool car. Doing a big cleanup on this one. Been sitting in storage. He just got it out a little while ago. Give her a good cleanup and hit a couple car shows with it. Pretty cool. Use some polishing on the motor. Clean the inside up a little bit. Should look pretty good when it's done. Alright. Shut her off and start on it tomorrow. I'm gonna go have dinner with my mom for Mother's Day. Alright, catch you guys later.